Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have such kind of analog watch I have in Fossil model number CH2565 and I want change the battery because of my battery is totally vanished and I want to replace the battery. So if you want change the battery cells, so some of the important point and toolkit we need to purchase. So this is my watch, tell you how to open very easily and how to fix battery. Before doing this one, I will tell you I purchased some of the batteries from Amazon and look at this here, 20 batteries I am receiving just only €6. That one is amazing. And I purchased one of the cell changing kit, the kit price just only €8. So I purchased this one from Amazon. Link is available on video description. So now camera come to close. So look at this is a battery, this is my watch, and I just simply open this kit. Inside the box, look at this, too much gadget we are receiving. This is a magic booklet if you have no idea how to use it. This one is remove some small screw. So look at this, such kind of gadget we are receiving. This one is a fix. And now how to remove the belt, it's very easy. Here one of the lock is available. Look at this here properly, and just simply press here like this without using any gadget and remove. That is very easy, very easy. After that I just simply use this kit, I put it here. Look at this here, all, and then fix properly. So my watch is not going anywhere, properly fix. Okay, perfect. Now my watch is not going anywhere. You can remove like this. Look at this, such kind of pin is available here, and you can remove like this. And this is my belt. You can change the belt also. Now how to open this one, it's very easy. This is one of the kit we already received. Like first of all, this two portions going this way, I just simply use and then first properly fix here. So look at this, like this. Now I can very easily open like this. So you can put it entire pressure here and your dial is open. It's easy. You can put it here. Now next point come here, this one. Using this one you can remove this plastic very easily like this. And here is my battery. You can use the brush also if you want clean something here like this. You can use those one also in your hand, but no need for me. If you can use this one is not open, so you can put it some of the pressure and use harder. If you use this one, so remove some of the screw, and screw is available here, the like, but no need to remove this one. So it's very easy to remove the battery here like this. So look at this, your battery is open like this. The battery is very small. So now I added this battery, I purchased new one and just simply put it here very easily. Now your battery is fixed here. Now time to fix this one like this. Here one rubber is also available, so don't disturb anything. So we are fixed properly here. Now time to fix this dial like this. Again we are using your hand like this. If you are not able to fix properly, so again you can reduce the size, increase the size, fix properly and use this one. and easy. Now it's fixed. I just simply open this one. Easy. Now I just simply fix this belt. Belt fixing is a very easy. So first of all, understand where is the current position, like this. Yeah. So now first of all fix one way, then use next and push pin back, and now one is fixed. Very easy. Now next, again we are use our own brain, fix properly one portion. And that's it. Your belt is fixed. You change your battery and now you can use. It's very easy. So guys, this is a simple video to change analog. This is a simple video to change Fossil watch battery, model number CH2565. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.